A warm welcome on online class of Prague Public School. Today I am here with English Literature of class 2 and today I am going to revise you chapter 2, A Day of Fun. Which chapter? A Day of Fun. Okay students? So you know what is the chapter. In this chapter, school students were going for school picnic. They went to school and their teacher welcomed them and they have a picnic in the school. Okay, they shared their lunch, they shared their candies, they played games and teacher played the music. The teacher played the music and they danced in the picnic. They have a lot of fun in the picnic. Students, as you know, I have explained this chapter and now I am going to revise exercise of this chapter. So let's start this chapter. Have a look on it. Okay students. So let's start. Chapter 2, A Day of Fun. Okay, revision. Question 1. What did Jane wear? What did Jane wear? Jane wore a pink frock, a new pink hat and a pair of pink shoes. Okay. What did Jane wear? What is the meaning of wear? Wear means पहनना. Wear means पहनना. तो पिकनिक में जाने ने क्या पहना था? At the day of picnic, Jane, what did Jane wear? Jane ने क्या पहना था? This is question and answer is Jane wore a pink frock, a pink hat and a pair of pink shoes. Jane ने क्या पहना था? एक पिंक कलर की फ्रॉक, एक न्यू पिंक हैट और एक पेयर पिंक शूज उसने पहने थे. Okay, now I am moving forward to our next question. Question 2. What games did they play? What games? I repeat. What games did they play? Okay. उन्होंने क्या गेम खेले? उन्होंने क्या गेम खेले थे? I have explained it now. I have explained it 2 times. What games did they play? They played. Answer is they played hide and seek, throw ball, and passing the parcel. What is the answer? I repeat. They played hide and seek, throw ball, and passing the parcel. Okay, students. उन लोगों ने क्या गेम्स खेले थे? उन लोगों ने हाइड एंड सीक, लुका छुपी होती है ना, हाइड एंड सीक. एक बिस्किट आता है ना हाइड एंड सीक नाम से, यानी लुका छुपी. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ हाइड? हाइड मीन्स छुपना एंड सीक मीन्स खोजना. एक गेम होता है ना छुपा छुपी का. इट मीन हाइड एंड सीक. थ्रो बॉल, एक दूसरे को बॉल फेंकना, इट्स मीन्स थ्रो बॉल. एंड पासिंग द पार्सल, एक गेम होता है ना जिसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पार्सल से एक दूसरे को पास करते रहते हैं और म्यूजिक प्ले होता है. इट मीन it is passing the parcel. Now I am moving forward to our next question. Question 3. Why did the children have sad faces? Why did the children had sad faces? Children यानी बच्चों के चेहरे उदास क्यों थे? Now answer. When it was to go home, all the children had sad faces. I repeat. When it was to go home, all the children had sad faces. Now, what is the answer? कह रहे हैं कि बच्चों के चेहरे उदास क्यों थे? Why? You know ना? When picnic was off, जब पिकनिक ऑफ हो गई, टीचर rang the bell, टीचर ने लीव रिंग की, तब बच्चों के फेसेस ऑफ क्यों हो गए? क्योंकि वो एंजॉय कर रहे थे, एंटरटेन कर रहे थे. लेकिन जब उनको ये लगा कि अब हमें घर जाना पड़ेगा, दैट्स वाई देयर फेसेस वाज सैड. ओके, तो व्हेन इट वाज गो टू होम, जब घर जाने का समय आया, ऑल द चिल्ड्रन हैड सैड फेसेस, सभी बच्चों के चेहरे उदास हो गए. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु रैंग द बेल? हु रैंग द बेल? बेल यानी घंटी. बेल मीन्स क्या होती? घंटी. बेल किसने बजाई? The teacher rang the bell. I repeat, क्वेश्चन, हु रैंग द बेल? घंटी किसने बजाई? आंसर इज द टीचर रैंग द बेल. टीचर ने बेल बजाई. नाउ आई एम मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू मैच द फॉलोइंग, सो यू ऑल लुक ऑन इट. ओके, लुक ऑन इट, मैच द फॉलोइंग. नाउ what is black? What is black? Black on pink, dark blue, yellow, new pink. On B side, B side में क्या है? Pant, shirt, shoes, hat, frock. तो we will match black. Black क्या था? Black shoes थे ना, तो we will match it from the shoes. Black shoes. I repeat, black shoes. Black shoes. Now second one is pink. What was pink? What was pink? Pink frog. Pink frog. We will match with pink with frog. Pink frog. I repeat, pink frog. Now next one is dark blue. Dark blue. Dark blue क्या था? Dark blue pant. Dark blue pant. We will match from dark blue pant. Okay? We will match it from pant. Dark blue pants. Dark blue pants. And next one is yellow. What was yellow? Yellow क्या था? Yellow shirt. Yellow shirt. Yellow shirt. Yellow shirt. Okay. Now next one is new pink. New pink hat. I have explained it also in the question answer. New pink hat. New pink hat. Now there is next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay student. Henry was Jane's. Henry जाने का क्या था? भाई. Henry was Jane's brother. We fill brother. We will brother. We fill brother. Second one is the space rang the bell. The space rang the bell. Who rang the bell? Teacher. We will fill here teacher. The teacher rang the bell. The teacher rang the bell. Now I turn the page. Now number 3 is they shared. Now space. They shared goodies. उन लोग ने आपस में क्या शेयर किया था? कैंडीज जो होते हैं ना, goodies. We call it also goodies. They shared their goodies. They shared their goodies. They shared their goodies. And now next, they began to sing and space. Space में क्या fill करेंगे? They began to sing and dance. They began to sing and dance. They began to sing and dance. Okay. Now number 5 is the children had sad space. Okay. What we fill it? We fill it. We fill in it. The children had sad faces. Faces fill करेंगे. The children had sad faces. बच्चों के faces sad हो गए थे ना. The children had sad faces. Okay students. Okay. Well, there are word meanings. You will learn it. You know well that you have to learn the word meanings. And so I have explained today the exercise of chapter 2. And what will you do? You will write. You will learn. I think you have already learned. You have already learned ना. क्वेश्चन आंसर आप लोग ने लर्न की, एक्सरसाइज में मैं लर्न करा चुकी हूँ. सो यू इन द क्लास वर्क एक रफ कॉपी में जिसमें आप क्लास वर्क करते हो, इन द सेंस क्लास वर्क जो एक कॉपी है रफ कॉपी में जिसमें आप एज यूजुअल वर्क करते हो, एक्स्ट्रा वर्क करते हो, आप उसमें क्वेश्चन राइट डाउन करोगे, आंसर अपने मन से राइट करोगे एंड यू विल सेंड इट एज अ क्लास वर्क एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एज द मैच द फॉलोइंग. होमवर्क कॉपी में आप करोगे अपने मन से, विदाउट चीटिंग यू विल डू एंड यू विल सेंड इट एज अ होमवर्क. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ गुड डे.